Guys, today we're making chocolate. And we're not just making any chocolate, we're making dark chocolate chunk bars. And these are seriously one of my favorite things. We only need 3 ingredients to get the homemade chocolate going. So we have over here is cacao butter, and you wanna smell this. It smells so delicious. Over here we have the raw cacao powder, and then over here we have a little bit of sweetness from maple syrup. So first we want to start off by melting the cacao butter, and we're going to do this by using the double boiler method. All we need is just a saucepan, and we're going to turn up the heat. And in here is just a little bit of water, and we want that to get nice and warm before we add the cacao butter. There we go. So you can see all the steam coming up, and we're gonna just slowly melt it. And this way we're not burning it. So you never want the cacao butter or the cacao powder to be burned. So let's bring it over here, because now we're gonna slowly whisk in the cacao powder. Get it all in there. You can do small increments too, if that helps. So let's add the cacao, all of it in here first before we do the maple. We're almost there. This is looking so good. Let's add in the maple. Look at this, it is so nice and thick. This is exactly what we want. We're gonna go ahead and pour it all in here. Ooh, God, look at that. So the chocolate is all nice and smooth and ready for the topping. And we want it to look really festive and Valentine's Day-esque. So we're gonna take our freeze-dried fruit and just crunch it on top. Now we're gonna add a little bit of cacao nibs. And if you wanna get kind of fun, let's add our toasted coconut flakes into here. There we go. And just a little pinch of flaky sea salt. That's pretty stunning. So all we have to do now is we're gonna take it and then pop it into the freezer to let it set for about an hour. Oh, so good. They're so good. So it's been about an hour or so, and we're gonna go ahead and check on the chocolate. Ooh, this looks so perfect. So I'm gonna cut it into big chunks. I'm gonna take a little bite. Oh my God. So in the recipe, we also have a free downloadable PDF, and it's a little recipe gift tag. So what you wanna do is just fill all the chocolate up in the mason jar, put a little bow around it, and gift it to your friends with the recipe tag, and then they can make the recipe whenever they want. It tastes so, so, so good. I can't believe how easy it is. You guys have to make this. I'm telling you, it's gonna be your new favorite bar. Happy Valentine's Day.